Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable TV stands that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Tripod TV Portable Height Adjustable Floor Stand. This functional TV stand is perfect for those looking for high-quality and well-priced unit. It's fit for many TVs in the market including plasma, LED, and LCD. The lightweight stand is easy to use and placing a TV on it is also very simple. This is credited to the beautiful design and good engineering. Furthermore, the space-saving nature makes it fit for many locations including small apartments and studios. It is well built from high-grade material to bear regular movements, knocks, bangs and will keep the TV secure. It comes already assembled and can install in a short time using ordinary tools. Moving on at number 4, we have the TV mount and stand for flat TVs, LCD, LED and plasma. If you want an affordable, high-quality portable TV stand, then this one by FitUIs will serve you well. It has a simple design for easy use and has a space-efficient design to suit the small spaces. This reasonably lightweight piece is crafted from sturdy steel that has a good weight capacity to handle different TV sizes. Likewise, it is very easy to move around thanks to its portable nature and weight and has a firm base to keep the TV well supported and secure. It has a smooth and elegant finish to complement the indoor decor and the TV as well. At number 3, we have the Design's TwoTier TV Stand. You don't need heavy or bulky TV units or stand. With this stand, your TV will be well suited and very secure. It can handle a range of TV sizes and comes with a simple-to-mount design. It is compatible with different TV types and brands and is built from a strong material for longevity. In addition to that, the strong seams and joints ensure it doesn't crack or break due to weight or movement. It comes in a clutter-free design that keeps the surrounding well organized and added elegance. The high-quality piece is ranked among the most affordable. At number 2, we have the Universal Flat-Screen Tabletop TV Stand. Black. You don't need to drill your walls or invest in wall units. This product is modern-looking and desirable. It's effortless to use thanks to its fully functional design and can be placed in many situations. This strongly built unit can support different TV sizes, weights, and brands without issues and is among the simplest to use. And like other top types, it's very movable but still remains firm. The contemporary design and finish bring out a sophisticated look that will look awesome with most interior decors, both modern and traditional. And finally at number 1, we have the Universal Tabletop Mount Stand. The Vivo TV Stand is among the most functional and elegant pieces on the market. It can be found in many homes and business premises and is loved for many reasons. It's built from a hard-wearing metal that will last many years. It is light and compact, and this improves its movability, whereas the simple styles make fitting a TV easy. To add more value, the stand will support different TV sizes and remain steady so as to prevent the possibility of the TV falling. Good viewing is further improved by the adjustable TV height. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.